Hi there. In this video, I'll show you the most effective way to export data from Google Sheets. Most people would either copy and paste the data they need or use the import range function in Google Sheets. However, there's a much better way to export data from Google Sheets. Copy pasting involves a lot of manual work. On top of that, when you edit the source file, you have to copy and paste all the data again in order to update the destination file. Import range seems to be a better option, but many problems may arise when you use this function. You can get all sorts of formula parse errors. You can get some other types of errors, especially when importing a large amount of data. You cannot maintain the original formatting. If you want to export data from Google Sheets automatically, I recommend using the Sheetgo add-on. In this example, I will use an employee performance tracking spreadsheet. I'll use the Sheetgo add-on because I don't want employees to have access to the other employees' private performance data. First, open the spreadsheet you want to import data from. I'll open my employee performance tracking spreadsheet. Click Extensions, then choose Add-ons in the menu bar. Now, select Get Add-ons. Type Sheetgo in the search bar. Choose Sheetgo and click on Install. Then, click Continue. Now you can sign in with your Google account. Choose your account. Then, click Continue. Sheetgo add-on needs to access your Google account. Click Allow. Then, click Done. Now you're ready to start using the Sheetgo add-on. Click Extensions and then click Sheetgo. Then, click Start. The add-on should open up on the right-hand side of your screen. Answer these 3 quick questions and agree to Sheetgo's terms of use and privacy policy. Click Get Started. Under the Export Data section, click Select Data. Before you connect your spreadsheets, you need to give Sheetgo access to your Google Drive. Click Grant Permission. Select the account you want to connect with Sheetgo. Then, click Continue. Now, choose the tab you wish to export. In this example, I want to export Jessica's performance data, so I'll select his tab. You can choose whether you want to transfer formatting or not. I recommend enabling this feature in order to retain formatting in your destination file. Once finished, click Next Step. I don't want to filter or split the data, so I'll click Skip. Now, I can export the data to another spreadsheet, generate a Google Docs file, save it as a PDF, or send it by email. In this example, I want to export my data to another Google Sheet. You can either let Sheetgo create a new Google Sheets file automatically or choose a file that's already in your drive. Here I'll let Sheetgo create a new file. Under File Name, I will rename the file. I'll call it Jessica. You can also rename the tab. I'll call it Employee Performance Tracking. You can also choose the folder in which you want to save your new spreadsheet. Click Finish and Save to create the connection. To make sure your connection is always up to date, you can schedule automatic updates as often as you need. The workflow will then update automatically, without you having to open Sheetgo or either of your spreadsheets. There you have it. Your workflow is up and running. However, there are some situations in which you want to be even more selective about the data you export than just a simple tab. The Sheetgo add-on offers a filter feature which allows you to filter down the data you wish to export even further. Let's imagine that I have a Google Sheets file with all employee performance data in one tab. I can use any filter functions within the Sheetgo add-on to filter specific data, rather than simply by tab. I'll create a new connection to show you how you can do it. Under the Export Data section, click Select Data. Now, I'll choose the tab Employee Performance. This tab contains data from all the employees. Then click Next Step. Now, select Filter. Click Condition to select data by column, number, date, text, or value. I still want to export data from all the columns, but I only want to send data from Lauren. Under Condition Type, I'll choose Data Matches One condition. Now you can add the condition. First, I'll choose column A. Now you can choose the criteria. In this example, I'll select Text as exactly. I'll type in Lauren. Sheetgo will export the data of only the employee whose name is Lauren. Click Confirm and then Next Step. Now follow the same steps to create the workflow. I'll let Sheetgo create a new file. I'll name it Lauren. I'll name the tab Employee Performance. Last but not least, click Finish and Save. There you go. Your workflow is ready. If you want to create even more powerful workflows, check out our web app. Click the link in the description below in order to start using our web app. With the Sheetgo web app, you can manage your entire workflow and use data visualization tools to gain valuable insights. That's how you can export data from Google Sheets. Check out our other videos, subscribe to our channel, or visit Sheetgo.com for more spreadsheet-based automation ideas. Thanks for watching and give us a thumbs up if you liked the video.